All right, let's explore how to do the catch you on the flip side activity. You're going to go to the directions page and you'll see that you're going to be assigned a city by your teacher. You are going to research the climate, the normal weather in that city. You're going to do that by going to timeanddate.com, very simple, easy to use website that you can use for your research. And you're going to type in the name of your city right up here in the search bar. So let's pretend I was assigned at Canberra, Australia. I'm going to type that in, make sure to spell it correctly, and then click on that city, and it will bring up the weather averages for Canberra. Now, I'm really interested in 2 months, December and June. So I'm going to click on December, and it's going to show me information about the climate in December in Canberra. Now, I'm really interested in the mean temp, not the high, not the low, but the mean temperature. That means average. So the average temperature in Canberra in December is 66 degrees. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget it. Then I'm also going to look up the temperature in June. In June, the average temperature is 45 degrees. So it's actually colder in June than it is in December. Interesting. I need to add that information to my graph. So I'm going to find the correct dot here for my December map and for my June map. So remember, in December, the average temperature was 66 degrees. That's this pinkish dot right here. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go Edit, Copy, or you can use Control-C or Command-C on an Apple. And what that does is it puts that into the computer's clipboard, into its memory. Then I'm going to go to the December map, and I'm going to paste it, or Control-V or Command-V, onto the map. Now I need to slide this onto Canberra. If you can't find it, one thing you can do is zoom in. Now, when you're zoomed in, it's important that if you need to move around that you use the scroll bars here. You move the scroll bars and not click and drag on the map because that moves the whole map around and it messes everything up. If you do make that mistake, just go to Edit, Undo, and it will fix the error that you've made. Well, now that I'm zoomed in, I can search around for Canberra. Oh, I found it. So I'm going to take my dot, I'm going to slide it right on top of Canberra, and that is where I'm going to leave it. Now I need to do the same thing for my June map. So remember, the temperature was 45 degrees. That's this blue dot. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to copy it, not cut, but copy it. And I'm going to paste it on my June map. And again, I need to slide that dot right over top of Canberra. Now, if I zoom out, I'll be able to see that in June, the temperature is colder than it is in December, at least in Canberra. Now, I'm really curious. As the rest of my classmates do their research, what is that map going to look like? Where is it going to be warmer in December, and where is it going to be warmer in June? What other patterns can we find? What questions does it make us wonder? As you study this map, you'll be able to learn a lot about the weather and the climate around the world. Happy researching.